Hello everyone, this is part 24 of our playlist Full Stack Python. As I already told you, this is not just a video. Okay, this is not just a video. This is a training course. Training course. In this training course journey, we will learn theory in depth. Okay, and we will do programming in depth. Okay, after programming, we will do projects. Okay, so we will not gonna miss anything. So that's why this is a training course, not just a one video. Okay, so remember this everyone. Okay, so in this video, we will learn some program. Yesterday, I gave you some program as a homework. So if you did that homework in the previous video in part 23 you can check. In part 23 I gave you some homework, and here is the solution of this homework. Okay, so if you want to try this program by your side, so you can type these programs and you can write this program. Okay, and give the answer in the comment, and you can paste your solution in the comment. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss about the homework problem solution. Okay, so first program was write a program to find input year is leap or not. We have to check the input year is leap or not. You have to check leap year or not. So first I will do what I will do. I will take input from the user. When we take input from the user with the help of input function, it take input as a string. So we will convert integer. We will convert input into the integer. Then I will store it in the year variable. And here I'm checking if year is modulus by 4. If the remainder is coming 4, it means is completely divisible by 4, or it is completely divisible by 400. So then we will say this is a leap year. L if, okay, L if we are using L if ladder. Okay, so if year is modulus by 100, okay, if year is completely divided by 100, so we will say this is the not year. Else we will say not year. Okay, so this is the condition. It should be divided by 4, modulus by 4 completely, and this is also modulus by 400. Okay, and if giving 0, then this is a leap year. If it is giving, if it also divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. Remember this. Many people forget this condition. Do not forget this condition. If we are modulus by 100 and giving 0, it means this is not a leap year. Okay, else we also can say this is a leap year. Okay, try to execute, everyone, please try to execute this program. Okay, then only you can make your logics. Okay, logics is what? Logic, if we talk about logic comes from what, where? Okay, when you practice 300 program or 400 programs, so automatically your brain think about the logics. Okay, because each program is have some logic, each program having some logic. Okay, so you will go through with 300 or 400 logic, then automatically your brain detect the logic of any problem. So that's why I'm saying try the programs, okay, by your own. And whatever you write code, just paste that code in the comment box below. All right, everyone, this is my expectation from you. Okay, and here is the output. For example, enter a year. So for example, 2028. So this is a leap year. Okay, leap year comes after 4 years. After 4 years we have leap year. For example, we have upcoming leap year is 2024, and then we have 2020 28. So what's the difference between 4 years difference? After 4 years, we have a leap year. All right. See. So enter a year, for example, 2023. So this is what? This is not a leap year. Let's discuss another problem. Write a program to find number last digit is even or not. So what we have to do? We have to take a number like, for example, 1, 2, 3, and we have to extract last digit, and we have to check whether odd or even. So this is program is saying. We have to write the logic for this. So first I will use input function, and in the input function I will give prompt, and I will convert input into the string and store in the number. Sorry, I will convert in integer and store in the number. So when you modulus by 10, when you modulus number by 10, so what will happen? Remainder will come. Remainder is nothing but the last digit. You will get the last digit. When you write like this, so you will get last digit. Okay, and last digit is stored in the last digit variable. And in this line, with the help of f f string, we are printing the number. So what is this? Last digit of number is this. Okay, so we are saying this is the last digit. Now we will write the logic to check the last digit is even or not. So last digit is modulus by 2 is completely divided by 2, so it's mean this is even. If it is not completely divided by 2, so it is what? Odd. Okay, try, everyone, please try this code. Everyone, this is the error free code, and try this code. If you are doing error, it means you are learning. Okay, when you are doing error, it means you are learning the programming syntax, and you are resolving the errors. So error is also important while learning the coding. Okay, try this program and give your solution in the comment box below. Okay, for example, user enter number 1212. So what will happen? The last digit of this number 1212, the last digit is 2. Okay, and 2 is the even. For example, I enter 33. So the number is 33 and the last digit is 3. So 3 is odd. I hope you are getting. Now we will discuss about third program. Write a program to check input number is 3 digit or not. We have to check whether the number is 3 digit or not. For example, this is 1 digit, 2 digit, and this is a 3 digit. So what is the minimum number of 3 digit? Like 100. This is the minimum number of like 3 digit minimum number is 100. And what is the maximum number of 3 digit? So maximum number is 999. Okay, 9,909. Okay. Oh, sorry. We have 999. All right. We can say like this. So we have to write the logic as well. So as usual, I will use input function and I will use type conversion. Okay, in this line, and value stored in the value. If I will check if value greater than equals to 100, and I'm using relational operator which is and value is less than equals to 999. So what I will say, this is what, this is a 3 digit number. Okay, if it is not, then it is a not 3 digit number. Okay, so this is a logic. Everyone please try this. Everyone please try by your own. Okay, and practice more and more program. Now from this video onwards we will discuss lots of program, and you have to practice each program and give the solution whatever program you type in the comment box as well. Okay, so for example, I enter number 123, and 123 is a 3 digit number. For example, I enter 10. So 10 is what? 10 is not a 3 digit number because we have 2 digits in 10. Now write a program to check a person is senior citizen or not. You have to check whether the person is senior citizen or not. So as usual, I will take the age of the person, and I will check if age is greater than or equals to 16. Then I will say this person is citizen, senior citizen, else the person is not senior citizen. Okay, everyone please try this code and paste the code in the comment box below. Okay, enter your age. Enter your age, for example, 60. So person is senior citizen. Enter your age like 30. So person is what? Not senior citizen. Okay. Now we have fifth program. Write a program to find minimum value of input two values. Okay, in two values we have to check which value is minimum. For example, I entered 12 and 10, so I have to check which is the minimum. So I can say 10. So we have to write logic for this. So I'm taking input in one line, value 1 and value 2. Okay, then I'm comparing value 1 less than value 2. So I will say value 1 is minimum. Else I will say value 2 is minimum. Okay, everyone, please write this code and paste in comment box below. All right. Enter first value. So what is the first value? What's the first I will give the prompt to the user, and user will enter like 1200. Okay, and in the second value 2401. Okay, so which one is minimum? So this one, 2401 is a minimum. For example, if I again run and I enter value 300 and second value is 10, so which is minimum? 10 is minimum. Okay, this is how we can do. And we have six program. Write a program to find input, whether input is positive or negative, or we can say whether number is or zero. We also can check zero. Okay, so user will enter the input, and we have to check the nature of the input. Okay, so in first line I'm taking the number from the user, and I'm checking if the number is greater than zero. This is automatically a positive number. Elif, okay, means I will check another condition. Number is less than zero. So what it is mean? This is if less than zero means negative number. Else I will say it is zero. Okay, so this is the output. Enter number. So let's suppose 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 is what type of number? Positive number. Enter number, let's say 0. So this is 0. Enter a number minus 1 to 1. So this is what? Negative number. All right. So let's talk about the last program of homework. Okay. So everyone please type this program by your own. Do not copy and paste. Just type this program and paste in comment section of this video. Okay. Write a program to find input number is divisible by 2 or not, 2 or 3. What we have to do, write a program to find input number is divisible by 2 and 3. If number is divisible by 2 and 3, we have to check. So in this line I will take the input from the user, and in this line I will check the condition if number is divisible by 2. If divisible by 2, then remainder would be 0. So equals to 0, equals to what? Comparison. Sorry, we are comparing two values, so this is a comparison operator. And is a relational operator, and I'm checking number is modulus by 3 also, like it is also completely divided by 3 or not. So if it is, so both condition is true, then only this statement will execute. Number is divisible by 2 or 3. If any one condition is false, then I will say number is not divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so enter a number, for example 6. So 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, enter a number 8. So 8 is not divisible by 3 and 2. It can be divided by 2, but it cannot be divided by 3. So it is not divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, now we will discuss about if elif else, or we can say if else ladder. Okay, so we are going to discuss about if else ladder. Okay, the syntax allow checking more than one condition. Okay, so if you want to give more than one condition, what you will use? You will use if else ladder. Okay, remember this. And let's talk about the syntax of if else ladder. So if and condition, then colon. Okay, do not forget the indent. The first space before the statement is known as intent. Whenever you create a block, so we always give the indent. Okay, indentation is important. Remember everyone. Okay, so in the if block we have statement one. Elif means second condition. In second condition we have another statement. In third condition we have another statement. And after this block, so this is if block. Okay, this is what, this is if block and elif block, and we have else. Okay, if nothing is executing, if this condition is false, elif condition is false, the third condition elif is false, then this will execute. Okay, so let's see the flow diagram. Okay, flow chart diagram. See, start. If condition one is true, so what will happen? If condition one is true, statement one execute or not. If condition one is true, so statement one will execute. If condition one is false, so what will happen? It will come to the elif. So condition two will check. If condition two is true, then statement two will execute. If condition two is true, statement two will execute. Okay. If condition 2 is true, statement 2 is execute. Okay. If condition false, then it will check condition 3. If condition 3 is true, statement 3 is executed. If condition 3 is true, statement 3 will execute. If condition false, so what will happen? Other n number of statement will execute and then stop. It will execute other statements. Okay. So what happened? If condition is true, PBM execute statement 1. Okay. If condition is false and condition 2 is true, PBM execute the statement 2. If condition 1 and condition 2 is false and condition 3 is true, so execute the statement 3. If all conditions are false, PBM executes statements, whatever statement after the elif letter. It will execute n number of letter. For example, we have a program. Write a program to find input character is alphabet, digit, or special character. So we have to check. So how we can check? How we can check? We will take input from the user, okay, and we will store in ch. We will not typecast this input because we are dealing with string character, okay. And I will check condition if ch greater than equals to a, okay, capital A, and ch less than equals to a, z, sorry, or okay, if ch greater than equals to a and ch less than equals to z. So what we will say? We will say alphabet, and else we will say we will use if ch greater than 0, less than 9, this is digit, and otherwise it's a special symbol. Okay, let's try this program, everyone. IDLE, what is the full form of IDLE? Integrated Deployment Learning Environment. Okay, I will open it and wait for a moment. Okay, so this mode is known as whatever you write here, for example, dir or ls, whatever you write here, this is what interactive mode. This is what mode? Interactive mode. So I will go to the programmable mode. So what is the programmable mode? I will take a file. So this is a programmable mode. Here I can write the program. Okay, I will save this program on desktop, full stack Python, programs, and main 9.py. Okay, this is my file name. For example, I'm writing program here to check whether input is character, okay, digit, or special character. So I will use ch input, and I will say enter any okay, character, nothing but, okay, and I will use if condition. I will check if ch greater than equals to a, capital A. Okay, so it will check based on the ASCII value. So what's the ASCII value of capital A? 65. Okay, and I will say and, sorry, and is what? Operator, relational operator. Ch less than equals to capital Z. Okay, if it is ch between the capital A and small z, so we can say this is a character. Or we can say if user store like if user give input in the form of small caps, so we also have to check like ch greater than equals to A and ch less than equals to z. So we can say this is what. So can you see the indent? This is what indent, because I'm writing if block. Okay, when we write if block, automatically indent come. Indent is nothing but a space. So here I'm writing print. This is this is alphabet. Alphabets. Alphabet. Okay, I will say like this. Okay, and I will use elif. Elif is for another condition. I will check like ch greater than equals to 0, greater than equals to 0. Okay, I'm using the string because this input function return a string. That's why I'm taking 0 as a string here. Okay, so I will check 0 and ch less than equals to 9. Okay, if the ch between 0 and 9, so we will say this is what print. This is what? This is digit. This is digit. Okay, I forgot here is. Okay, so this is all right. Now I will say if not alphabet and not a digit, so this is what automatically we can say this is what special character. Special character. Special. Okay, special character. We can say. Okay, let's try to execute this program. So go to the run. Okay, so this is how we can enter. For example, a small a. So this is alphabet. Let me run again. Okay, now I will enter. Wait. Now I will enter like capital A. So what is this? This is also alphabet. Now let's run again. So again, if I write 4, so what will happen? This is digit. If I run again, if I run again, if I write like and ampersand, if I write ampersand, so what will happen? This is a special character. This is how we can create a program like this. Okay, now come back to our our notes. So this is how we can try. Let's try a hacker rank problem. Okay, everyone. As I told you before, from the one video onwards, like we will discuss hacker rank problem as well. So let's start discuss hacker rank problem. Okay, I hope everyone got the HackerRank account and you are working on HackerRank as well. No worry, we will discuss. We will work together on HackerRank. So let me remove all the code from here and let me select Python 3. Okay, again I will remove clean this. Okay, so understand the task. So what is our task? Given an integer, given an integer n. Okay, perform the following conditions. So what condition? If n is odd, so what we can say? Print weird. If n is even and inclusive ranges 2 to 5 and print not weird. Okay, when if n is even, then only we have to check this. If n is even, again if n is even, then only we will check, and the inclusive range is 6 to 20, then I will say weird. Okay, if n is even and greater than 20, I will print not weird. Okay, input is n. Okay, and this is a constraint. Okay, input should be greater than 1 and less than equals to 100. Okay, for example, we have sample input 3. So 3 means sample output is weird. Okay, because 3 lies between here. 3 is what type? 3 is not even type. So we will not check this condition. We will not check this condition, and this condition, because we will check when n is even only. So it is directly print weird. Okay, it will directly print weird. So let's write code for this. So for example, first I will take input from the user. Okay, I will take input from the user. For example, in n, I will take input from the user in n input. Okay, and what type of input I will take? Integer type. So I will write int and input. Okay, so inside input I will not give the prompt, because when we are taking input, we don't have any prompt. We have to like accordingly, write accordingly. Okay, so we got value from the user and value. Then we have to check if n not equals to, okay, n modulo 2 not equals to 0. If it is not giving 0, so it's mean number is odd. N is odd, then print weird. So number is odd, then we can say print what? Print weird. Okay, and remember you have to use the same spelling inside the print also. Okay, remember this thing, otherwise your test cases will not pass. So remember everyone, if there is a capital letter, use capital letter. If there is a small letter, use small letter as it is. Please remember this thing. Weird. Okay, so this is how I write the first condition. Now I have to check the another condition. For another condition, I will use elif. Okay, in elif I will write another condition. So what is the another condition? Another condition is n is even. So see, if n is even, then only it will come. If n is odd, it will execute only. Okay, it will not see it. Oh, when elif execute when number is odd, a number is even. Okay, if number is not odd, then number should be even. So I will write directly here, and I'm writing this logic of this line. Okay, remember everyone. So n range of 2 to 5. So I will say greater than equals to 2 and n less than equals to 5. So if it is like this, so what I will say? I will say print. What I will print? Not. Okay, I will say not weird. So can you check what is the mistake in this line? What is the mistake in this line? See, here n is capital, but here is n small. So test case will not pass. So everyone, please write properly. Whatever is there, write as it is. Okay. Now I will write another elif, and in another elif, what I will do? I will check. If the range is 6 to 20, then I will say weird. Okay. So I will write n greater than equals to 6, and I will say n less than equals to 20. So what I will print? I will print weird with same spelling. Remember, now I'm saying again and again, so that you will remember my words. Okay, so this is how we can type this, and n is even and greater than 20. Greater than 20, print not weird. So now we don't need to write any condition, just say else, and in else I will write same not weird. Okay, like this. So this is how we can write our program. Let's try to run the code. What happened? Okay, so test cases is sample test cases is pass. For example, if I write n small, okay, n small here and n small here, what will happen? Whether test case will pass or not? So one test case is not pass. Why? Why? Because I'm not using the same prompt. So I have to write same. Okay, when I write correctly, okay. So what will happen? Now it will execute all the test cases. This is the problem with every beginner. So that's why remember everyone. Now I will submit the code. it will be submitted. So many of the sometime n number of test cases pass execute. So each test case will pass, then only your code will submit. Otherwise your code will not be submit. Remember this. If you want to submit your code, write properly. So congratulations, you have solved this challenge. Would you like to? So this is how we submitted the code, and this is how we done this code. So now come back to our uh, slide. Okay, so this is the same code whatever I write there. Okay, and I will share this notes link in the description. You can check out from the description of this video. Remember, okay, do not forget. Playlist link and notes links are there. Okay, so I will upload these notes also, and you can find the link from the description. Okay, for example, we have another problem. Okay, we have to write logic for this. So write a program to calculate the electricity bill, accept number of units from the user according to the following criteria. Okay, unit, and this is the price. If first unit is 100 units, if there is 100 units, so no charges. On 100 units we have no charges. Next 100 units, after 100 unit, if we have other units, so we will write 5 5 per unit. We will charge 5 per unit. Okay, after 200 units we will charge 10 rupees per unit. Okay, so I have to write the logic. So I will take unit from the user. Okay, and I will check if unit is less than, if unit is less than 100 or equals to 100, no charges, amount is 0. If unit is greater than 100 and less than 200, according to the condition, see, we have to check conditions. If, because we have to check whether it should be less than equals to 200, because after 200 this charge will take in this charge. So it should not be the greater than 200. So it should be the between 100 and 200. Then how much rupees it will charge? 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees. So this is the logic for 5 rupees. Okay, so if greater than 100 and less than equals to 200, what I will do, unit minus 100, unit minus 100 by, because on 100 unit we are not charging anything. That's why units minus 100 and multiply by 5. Why 5? Because we have to charge 5 rupees per unit. Okay, now else means it is what, when else execute, when this condition will false and this condition will false. Okay, it is neither bill is 100 rupees, neither more than 100 rupees. Like your bill is not 100 units, and your bill is not between 100 and 200 units. So what this means, it means your bill is greater than 200 units. So if your bill greater than 200 units, so what I will do, I will minus 200 from the unit, multiply by this 10, and I will plus 0 plus 500. Okay, 0 plus 500. Okay, and in the last I will print the amount. So everyone please try this program and paste this program in comment box of this video, so that I can know how many of you are learning and how many of you are practicing, because practice is important. Okay, this is for your advantage. Please practice. I'm saying again and again, practice and practice and more practice. Practice is nothing but logic building. Logic building. Without practice you cannot build the logic, and company not hire anyone. Company do not hire you if you don't have logical thinking, because even sixth class student can type the code. Typing code is not an important thing. Understanding the code and building the logic is important. And how you can build the logic? When you practice 500 problems, when you practice 600 problems, when you practice thousands of problems. So it's mean you will go through with thousands and thousands problems and thousands of thousands logics. Then only you can become a logic builder. Okay, so this is the journey of full stack Python development. So you need to write program. Okay, and paste that program in the comment box below, so that I understand how many of you are learning from this course. Now I will write another program. Write a program to accept percentage from the user and display the grade according to the criteria. Okay, if marks is greater than 90, grade A. If it is between 80 to 90, if it is between it is greater than 80 and less than equals to 90, grade B. If it is greater than equals to 60 and less than equals to 80, then this is the grade C, and below 60 I can say grade D. Okay, so this is the problem, and I have to convert this problem into the code. So I will take percentage from the user and convert into the integer and store in P. If P greater than 90, it is A grade. If it is between greater than 80 and 90, less than equals to 90, it is B grade. If P greater than equals to 60 and P less than equals to 80, this is what C grade. Else this is D grade. So this is a logic. Practice everyone and paste this code in the comment box below of this video. Okay. Now we will discuss about another problem. Write a program to accept the cost price of a bike and display the road tax to paid according to the following criteria. So cost price is, if it is like, how many it is, 1 lakh. Okay, if it is cost price is greater than 1 lakh, if the cost price is greater than 1 lakh, so what is the tax is 50%. If it is greater than 5 lakh and less than equals to 10 lakh, then 10%. If it is less than equals to 5 lakh, then it is 5%. So this is a problem. We have to write the code on this problem. So everyone try this code. So in the first line, I'm taking price from the user and store in the cost, and I'm checking the cost. If cost is greater than 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh. So how much tax I will take? 15%. This is how I can write. And elif, if the cost greater than 5 lakh and less than equals to 10 lakh, so this formula I will apply, like 10% I'm taking. Okay, everyone please try this code. And else I'm saying I will take 5%. Okay, so I'm printing using f string by price and cost. And in the second printf, the road text, and I'm using 2f. I'm using 0.2f. Why? Because I want only 2 decimal point. Okay, like this one. If you will not use this, so you will see so many decimal points. So if you want to only 2, then use 2f, dot 2f. That's why I'm using text column 2 dot, dot 2f. Okay, and we have another program, right? Okay, a company decided to give bonus to employee according to the following criteria. So time period of service and bonus, we have two fields. Okay, more than 10 year, it will take 10% bonus. If it is greater than or equals to 6 and less than or equals to 10, we will give 8% bonus. If it is less than 6 years, we will give 5% of bonus. Okay, let's convert this problem into the code. So I will take salary from the user, and I will take service input from the user. Service, if service is greater than 10, I'm giving 10% bonus. If service is greater than equals to 6 and less than equals to 10, I'm giving 8% bonus on salary. Else I'm saying 5% bonus on salary. Okay, so this is the salary and this would be the bonus. Okay, 5,000, 50,000, and so service is 12 years. So what's the salary? 50,000, and what's the bonus? 5,000. Like this we can try. Okay, everyone please try and give the comment, give the code, whatever you write the code, copy that code and paste in the comment section below. This is the mandatory thing. Okay, this is mandatory thing, and I am expecting this thing from all of you who are watching this video sincerely. Okay, write a program to convert input alphabet into uppercase to lowercase. I have to write a logic to convert uppercase and lowercase. We will not use function any redefine function. We will write a logic. Okay, so I will take one character from the user in this line, and I will check character is greater than equals to a, and character less than equals to z. Then I will say what I will say what I'm doing here. I'm using ord function. Ord. What ord returns? Ord return respective. For example, in ch we have a. Okay, in ch we have a. So ord return, it's ASCII value. What's the ASCII value of a? 97. And what we are doing? Minus 30, minus 32. If I'm writing my 97 minus 32, so what will happen? 5 and 6 will print. And 6 and 5 is a number. So I'm storing this 6 and 5 here. So it will return 65. And 65, I'm using CHR. When I give 65 here, 65 here, so it will return respective. This is what ASCII value. It will return its respective character. So this is the value. 65 is the value of capital A. So this is how you can convert from small case to C small case to capital case. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, everyone. So print ch like character, and if it is a ch greater than equals to a and less than equals to capital Z, so what I will say, I will add 32. If you want to listen, everyone please listen. If you want to go small to capital, minus 32 from the ASCII value. Remember this. If you want to go capital to small a, then add 32. Okay, in the ASCII value. So what is the ASCII value of a? 65. When I add 32, so what will happen? I will get 97. 97 is what? 97 is the ASCII value of a. So this is how I can convert. All right, everyone. So ORD function, what ORD function returns? ORD function returns the ASCII value of the respective character, and I am adding 30 plus 32 because I am going to capital to small. Okay, and CHR function returns the character. It takes ASCII value and it returns character. And character is stored in CH, and I will print the character. If this condition is false, then I will execute else. Input character must be alphabet. For example, I am inputting dollar symbol. So this is what? This is not a small cap character, a small cap or capital cap. So this is what error. For example, I say enter any character. For example, dollar, input character must be alphabet. Input character must be what? Alphabet. So it is error. That's why last block is executing. Enter any character 7. Input character must be alphabet. Okay. So we cannot enter 7. For example, if I'm entering A, I'm entering A. So it will convert A to capital A. Okay. What happened here? When we are going to A to capital A, so we have to minus 32. Remember this. So what is the value? What is the value of capital small a 97 and capital A 65. So what I will do, I will, if I minus this, so 32 difference will come. So that's why I'm saying you have to subtract 32 when you are going to small to capital, and when you going to reverse like capital to small, then add 32. Okay, so now we will discuss about nested if. If within if is called nested if. Okay, now we will see syntax of if, nested if. Okay, so what is nested if? Nested if is nothing but if, here is a condition, if inside the if, and again if, and inside the if. So this is what if else ladder. Sorry, this is what nested if. You can say this is what nested if. See here, everyone. Let me erase this. Now we will see. Okay, see here, there is a condition, if condition, and inside if condition we have another if condition, and after that we have an statement. Okay, and we have else, and we have second statement. So see everyone, so this condition is in where, inside the if block. Okay, if inside the if, so this is what we call nested if. Okay, and then I'm using elif is followed by this if and this elif. Okay, and this if, and we have this else. In elif we can write multiple, another condition, condition 3, and condition 3 again we have if. Okay, and we have some statement, and this we have else. Sorry, here is a small e. Okay, a small e. So this is if followed by else, and elif followed by this else. Okay, so if condition is false, it will not come here. If condition is false, it will not execute condition 2 here. It will not execute else. If upper condition is false, entire block not execute. If condition 3 is false, then this block is not execute, this block. Okay, and if condition is this false, then else block will execute like this. For example, write a program on nested if, login application. Let's write the logic for login application. So I will take username from the user. I will take username. I will take input from the user, and I will check. Okay, and if username is NIT, then what I will do, I will take password from the user. If username is NIT, then I only give the password. For example, if user giving incorrect input, so why I'm asking password? I will not ask password. If username wrong, then what is the need of asking password? If username is correct, then only I will ask password. Because that's why it is inside the if block. And after that, I'm using if inside the if inside the if. So what is this nested if? So I will take password. If the username is correct, I will take password, and I will check password. If password is equals to NIT123, then I will say welcome. Else I will say invalid. Okay, so everyone, your task is to write this code. Everyone, please, whatever code I'm showing to you, you have to write each code. Otherwise, you will not be become a logic builder. You have to become a logic builder. So write each program, whatever program is there. You can take a screenshot, or else I will provide you notes. Okay, in the description, from where you can see and you can type the program and understand each line. And if password is wrong, if like this condition is false, then this is false and this is false. So what will happen? Invalid password. Okay, invalid username. This is how we can create. Everyone, please try this. If username is ABC, immediately I can say username is incorrect. Okay, invalid username. If username is NIT, then I ask password. If username is incorrect, I will immediately say invalid username. If username is correct, then only I will ask password. Okay, then I will say welcome. So both are true. Write a program to generate OTP. Write a program to log in with OTP. Okay, so OTP, for the OTP we have to import random module. Okay, I will import random module, and I will ask username to the user and store in the user variable, and I will create a OTP variable, and I will use random, which is predefined function. Random is module. Random dot randit a function, and I'm saying OTP generate between 1000 to 999 4 times 9. Okay, so between this number we should get the OTP. Okay, because we are using randit, so whenever, for example, if we execute this code 5 times, so 5 times, all the 5 times we get different OTPs. Okay, see print username, please log in with this OTP. Okay, so I'm asking enter OTP, and OTP in store in OTP1. If OTP1 equals to OPT, then user, I will say welcome, else I will say invalid output. So hope you are getting this. If you are not getting like what I'm saying here and I'm fast, so what you can do, you can practice this program by your own. When you do syntax error, when you resolve the syntax error, then only you can become the Python programmer, or you can say full stack programmer. Because in the next upcoming videos, we will implement all the theory, whatever we have learned so far. We will implement all the theory. If you ignore the theory, you cannot resolve the problems. So for example, username is NK. So NK, please log in with OTP. OTP. This OTP. So I enter OTP, correct OTP. So what happened? NK welcome. For example, I write username Suresh. So Suresh, please log in with OTP. If I write instead of five, I write in last four. So what will happen? Invalid OTP. Okay, everyone. So I hope you are getting. Please, I'm saying again, it is my request to all of you. Please write each code. I will provide this note and link inside the description. Write each program and execute each program and give the code in the comment section below. If you are writing 10 program, give all 10 programs 10 programs code in the comment one by one. If you have 10 program, you will write comment 10 times, so you have 10 comment with your name. Okay, in the video comment section. Okay, so I hope you are getting. So in the next lecture we will discuss about match statement. Okay, match statement introduced in Python 3.10 version. Before this version we have the match function. But after Python 3.10, it become match keyword. Okay, we will discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, but what I'm saying, practice please, practice. Then only you can take advantage of this video, then only you can build your logic, because logic building is important. So write each program. Okay, everyone, I hope you understand the thing what I'm trying to say to you. So everyone, thank you for giving your valuable time to me. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep a smile on your face. Okay, if you want to become a problem solver, or if you want to make your logic next level, then practice thousands of problems, practice hundreds and thousands of problems. Then only you can become logic builder. Okay, otherwise, as a beginner, you cannot expect so many logics until unless you will not write 200 or 500 programs by your own. Or what you can do, understand each program and write. Understanding is important. Writing program is not important, but understanding each program is important. So everyone, do one thing. Practice code, practice code, whatever is there in this presentation. I will give link in the description. After that, write the program. Okay, after that, run the program. Okay, after that, paste the code where? In comment section of this video. Okay, for example, if you are writing 10 programs, so how many comments you can write? 10. So for one comment for one program. Okay, everyone, so I hope you are getting. So when you write program, you can see, you can like realize you are really learning programming. So thank you, everyone. Always keep a smile. Okay, never be depressed, never be hopeless. Okay, be happy always. Okay, bye everyone. We will meet in another lecture, in another video. Okay, stay tuned, be regular here, be consistent. Okay, we will become full stack Python developer one, like soon. As far you will follow the videos, we will start Django as well, we will start advanced Python as well, we will start projects as well. Okay, we already started programs. Okay, so be attentive, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye.